Hello everyone, so today we're making prawn Pollichathu. It's a South Indian delicacy which is completely gluten-free, which you can have as a comfort meal. The ingredients are 2 tomatoes, 1 small piece of ginger, 5 big onions, white onions preferably, and 2 green chillies. Take a pan, add coconut oil, add the prawns and add in the turmeric powder, salt and pepper powder. Mix well, fry for exactly 1 minute and keep aside. Now take the same pan, add the ginger garlic mince and fry till it turns light brown. Add in the onions and green chilies and saute till the onions turn translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add in the turmeric powder, pepper powder, coriander powder and salt. Once the onions are done, add in the tomatoes and mix them well till the tomatoes turn proper mushy. Once the paste is done, take an aluminium foil and layer the onion tomato mixture and the prawn mixture that we prepared earlier, layer by layer, as shown in the video. Now wrap the aluminium foil and place it on a pan and heat it on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. It's been around 4 to 5 minutes. Let's see how it's come out. And it's come out just perfectly. It's amazing. I cannot wait to dig in. Thanks for watching.